Hi, this video depicts the painting process of a landscape with a bunch of people basking in sunshine in a quiet corner of a public park. Basking in the Sun by Makarand Joshi. Journey of this painting from the drawing stage till the final outcome. After the drawing, I begin with the foreground. Of course, usually I begin with the background, especially when there is the sky involved. Even in this painting, you can see sky at the upper half portion. However, there is no hard and fast rule that you need to start with the sky, or in other words, with the farthest object. In this case, grass is nearest, and compared to the grass or ground, the sky is almost, is of course it's the farthest. However, we can also change the sequence and start painting from the foreground. And on a lighter note, in order to sustain a high level of interest in any activity, what I have experienced over a few years is that it's rewarding to make a few changes here and there in the process. This policy has helped me grow in painting. I feel human mind, or maybe human brain, is not hardwired to do the same set of activities in exactly the same manner for a longer period of time. We're going to view this movement in detail. Let us watch this effect once again. Motion of the bristles on paper is shown in blue, and the direction of the brush rotation is shown in color green. Observe this interesting movement of water and how the texture is formed. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. And do not forget to leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like, then yes, definitely. And even if you do not like, or if you did not find this video interesting, still kindly leave a comment. It's going to help me grow this channel. If it's a watercolor painting, then generally most of the times it's done from the lighter tone to the darker ones. Element wise or area wise, from light to dark is the sequence in watercolors. With our tonal values and colors already established, we have these areas that are going to be really crucial in deciding the complete total outcome, final outcome of this painting. Hi, and welcome to my channel Makarand Joshi Painting. This is a demo of a watercolor landscape. This video narrates how to paint watercolor landscape, and I have used wet in wet technique predominantly for most of the area and for most of the time. And the final stage. Coming up is the short recap of the entire process. Stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the final outcome. Please hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. I wish you happy painting.